Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. My dear friends, in this video we're going to see new job opportunities available in pharmacy sector. So for getting regular job updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and support us by sharing our videos. So let's get started. This video we're going to see new vacancies in pharma sector. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.
My dear friends, here are the walk-in interviews from Intas. So this is a walk-in drive at Chandigarh and Vadodara for the following vacancies. They are looking for departments: data integrity cell, formulation, B.Pharma, M.Pharma or M.Sc candidates with minimum 5 years of experience. And for the department, 21 CFR Part 11 compliance formulation. So B.Pharma, M.Pharma or M.Sc. So experience minimum 5 years. And for officer to executive level, in process quality assurance, B.Pharma or M.Pharma, and officer to executive department QA, same B.Pharma or M.Pharm. And for the department AQA, B.Pharma, M.Pharma or M.Sc with minimum 5 years. And for the quality control department, M.Sc organic or microbiology, B.Pharma, M.Pharm with minimum 2 years of experience. The venue is Hotel Solitaire, Chandigarh, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on 26th February 2023. Hotel Fern Residence. For at venue in Vadodara, the venue is Hotel Fern Residence. In Chandigarh, Hotel Solitaire. So these are the details. Thank you for watching.